Students, so today we will be discussing the chapter ray and beam. So last class I was telling you about the property of light, that was rectilinear propagation of light, which shows that light always travels in a straight line. So today we will be talking about ray and beam. Now what is ray? Now ray is a straight line with an arrow which shows either it is light or heat from the natural sources or the man-made sources. So if I am to show the ray, if I am to show the heat or light from the sun coming, I will show with this arrow, and this is known as ray. Now beam means when there are many rays together. You can see a group of rays together is known as beam. So this is your ray and beam. Now we are going to talk about a very important terms. We are going to talk about three different objects. So first one is your transparent object. Transparent object. So transparent objects are those objects which allows light to pass through them. For example, this window, the glass which you see here, it's an example of transparent object. That's why we are able to see everything which is behind or which is in the other side of this glass. So this is your transparent object. Then you have translucent object. Translucent object. Now translucent objects are not so same, but we can compare it with transparent object. It allows some amount of light to pass through them. Some of the very example is known as your cellophane paper. I think everyone is very much concerned with cellophane paper, not that clear one or blur one. Or another example would be your butter papers and all. So I think you have seen the butter papers and all, or while eating some Cadbury's and all, they have some kind of transparent paper. So from that paper you can see few object through it, not so clearly like transparent object, but light can pass through it. So that is an example of translucent object. Then you have opaque object. Opaque objects are those objects which does not allow light to pass through them. For example, the wall out here, it is an example of opaque object, because if light could have passed through the wall, we could have seen what is happening on the other side. So these are the three objects which we must know. Then the next thing which we are discussing will be shadows. Everyone is familiar with the term shadows. Now in order for shadows to form, we need very important sources. First of all, we must know that shadows can only be formed with opaque object. It's not possible for transparent, it's not possible for translucent. Now what is shadows? Whenever a light is fall on any object, and if that object is able to block those light, on the other side we will be seeing the shape of an object which is usually dark in color. That is your shadows. Now shadows, like I said, shadows are only possible for opaque object. It's not possible for transparent and translucent, because if light falls on the transparent and translucent object, it will pass through it. So no shadows are formed. But it is only possible for opaque objects. For this reason, mostly all opaque objects, they are able to form shadows. So three requirements are there in order to form shadows. First one is opaque object, then source of light, and lastly we need a screen. With these three objects, then only your shadows can be formed. We also need a screen. So the screen doesn't mean we need a big white, it doesn't mean that we very much need a big white screen. It means there should be some space out there which can show the shadows. So these three are the requirements of shadows. And with the shadows, I think everyone has done in maybe some part or the other. You might have made some animal if an animal faces with your hands, that is with your shadows. So shadows, this is how the shadows are formed. Now we will see some characteristics of shadows. Now we are going to discuss about characteristics of shadows. Now first, the characteristics of shadows, like I said you, shadows are always formed on the opposite side of the light. Suppose there is an object out here, let us say, and from here the ray of light is coming. We must remember this object must be opaque. Then only the shadows will be formed somewhere here. So shadows are always formed opposite to the direction of the light. Now we need to remember the shadows are always black in color. No matter whatever the color of this object may be. Suppose let us say this object was green in color. The shadows form will always be black in color. Why? Because shadows are usually formed in the absence of light. So here there will be no light area. That's why shadows will be formed in the absence of light. Next point will be shadows will only show the shape of an object. It will not show, like I said, it will not show the color, it will not show the size of an object. It will just show you the shape. So suppose there is a source of light out here, and you have a very small, let's say, ball. So if you bring this ball very close to the light, you will see the shadows will be very big. Now if you take this ball far away, you will see that shadow becomes small. So it will only show you the exact shape, but it will not show you the size, because the size will vary with the distance. So if you bring this ball closer to the light, the shadow will be bigger. If you take it away, the shadow will be smaller. And the color, again, the color, no matter which color will be the ball, the shadows will always be black in color. With this, the characteristics of shadows are discussed. So in upcoming classes, we will be talking about different formations of shadow. For today, we will be doing this much, and later on I will be sharing you some of the questions related to the chapter. Thank you.